As they went, they saw that the knight was weeping silently. When they were going towards Robin Hood, they saw that the soldier was weeping for some great distress. Distress meaning is sorrow. For some kind of sorrow, he was weeping. When they reached the appointed spot, when they reached near the Robin Hood, Robin stepped forward. Robin moved towards those four persons and courteously greeted the guest. Courteously meaning is politely or kindly greeted the guest. Greeted meaning is welcomed the guest. Robin saw that his guest was a good man. He sat him down to a well prepared meal, means he told him to sit down for the dinner. There was an abundance. Abundance meaning is great supply or great quantity. Venison. Venison is a flesh of deer, meat of deer. What kind of dishes were there? That meat of deer, game of all kinds, swans, and river fowl. Fowl meaning is one kind of a bird, bird, and fish, with bread and good wine. A gay company sat down to a banquet. Banquet is a feast for many people, means a dining table, we can say. They sat or they sat down for the dine, as good as any the knight had ever eaten, means there were all qualities for eating for the dinner. Sir Knight, eat heartily, for it is with good will that we offer you this meal. And they told to the soldier that he should eat how much he want. The knight ate hungrily, and knight also eaten how much he want, and said, "Thanks, good Robin, I have enjoyed my dinner greatly." And he told Robin Hood that he had eaten dinner properly and have gained my strength. Gain meaning is got my strength, or he got some power when I pass this way again. And he told that when he would pass again from this side, I will do my best to pay you, means I'll pay for your dinner how much I can. Robin thanked him and said, "It is only right that you should pay me for the meal before you go." But Robin thanked him and said that it is more better if you will pay for the dinner now, before your leaving. The knight then told Robin that he had no money. And when Robin asked him how he, a knight, had come to be penniless, then when knight told that he had no money, then Robin asked that how he could be a penniless. Penniless meaning is without money. Then he told him how he sold all his estate. Estate meaning is money, land, or property, means everything which included money, land, and property. That he had sold everything, his property, and spent all his money. He had to save his son. Why he had spent all his money or property? Because he had to save his son from going to prison, because he had slain a knight. Slain a knight meaning is he had cheated another soldier. Now he had no friend, but now he has no friend, and his only possession with his wife and children. And he has left with only wife and children, and other all person had left him. Robin and his merry men, living up to their name, could not hide their tears. And by listening the story of that night, the Robin and his friends, they had tears in their eyes, and they provided the knight. Provided the knight meaning is gave the knight with new clothes. They gave new clothes, boot, and spurs. Spurs meaning is a metal piece with sharp points worn on the heel by horsemen towards the horse forward. One kind of a metal piece which is used to move the horse forward. They gave him that spur, two splendid horses. Splendid meaning is great or wonderful horses, one for riding and one to carry his baggage. Baggage in which they had given the clothes, boots, or spurs. Baggage meaning is bags. And they filled his coffer with enough gold. Coffer meaning is a box in which money is kept, means they had given a lot of money in a box. Uh, and in that box they had given the gold to redeem his estate. Redeem meaning is to get back his estates. Estate, we can say his all money, property, or land. What things they had given? That is clothes, boots, spurs, horses, and coffer in which they had given gold, and sent little John with him. And they had sent little John with that knight because it was not safe for him to travel alone, because he had a lot of things, lot of money, and it is not safe that he should go alone. That's why they sent little John with him. The knight thanked Robin for befriending him. Befriending meaning is to be a friend. And knight thanked Robin Hood to be his friend and promised to use the gold to redeem all his state. Redeem meaning is to buy back, to earn back. And he promised Robin Hood that he would use that gold for taking his estates back, collect rent from it for a year, means he would give that money for renting purpose, and collect interest from that from for a 1 year. And after 1 year, under the same greenwood tree, means in this forest, he would meet him and pay him back. He would return whatever the Robin had given him, and that's what he did. And same promise he had fulfilled also, means in the next year the same knight thanked him for Robin's help and returned back all the things.